The high-speed wire nail making machine is a revolutionary device that can help you take your business to the next level. With its low technical requirements and easy operation, you can start producing high-quality nails in no time. The machine runs very stable and barely needs maintenance, which means you can focus on growing your business instead of worrying about downtime. It runs up to 800 pieces per minute, which largely improves productivity compared to traditional machines. The high-speed wire nail-making machine is designed with the user in mind. It has precise mechanical configurations, such as rams, connecting rods, molds, and knives that ensure high production efficiency and long service life. The machine can produce nails of various sizes and shapes and operates automatically. It is commonly used in the construction and manufacturing industries. In conclusion, the high-speed wire nail-making machine is an excellent investment for anyone looking to improve their productivity while keeping costs low. Its low technical requirements make it easy to operate and barely needs maintenance, while its high production efficiency ensures that you get more done in less time. So why wait? Invest in the high-speed wire nail-making machine today.